holiday mixer at the House of Royalty. In this series, guys, I'll be taking you up close and personal and giving you intimate, intricate details of how I styled each space in all of its royal glory. So we're going to start right here, guys, in the entryway. For this space, I wanted something that was grand, overscaled, and definitely a wow factor. Last year's design, I absolutely loved it, and I knew that I wanted something that was compatible to, but yet stepped it up a notch. And I think with this upside down extravagant piece that we coined the Countess, I think we achieved just that. I so love all the details of it, guys, from the ribbon to the ornaments to the floral picks and everything in between.
True, the love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Up close and personal. Everything from this beautiful, beautiful ribbon. You guys know how I feel about ribbon, guys. I am a coin, as you all gave me, a ribbon snob. I absolutely love intricate ribbon. This is absolutely divine. I love this ribbon so much. I will have it in my decor collection for many years to come. It plays beautifully with the hues of champagne, with the hues of gold. This beautiful finial here from Craftex. Everything, guys, just came together absolutely gorgeously to create this beautiful design. And I wanted to bring a little bit of depth to the look.
True, the love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow.
Depth to the look, guys. I brought in these beautiful mocha colored floral picks along with these beautiful finials from Hobby Lobby that has that feather detail that pulls that mocha hue. Everything here was intricately selected to bring this beautiful color story together. You have a splash of cheetah print, iridescent that plays beautifully with any hue, guys. I absolutely love this look. And I'm not sure how I'm going to top this look.
Snowflakes fall, wonderful, magical. It's that time when everybody smiles.
This ribbon is absolutely exquisite. From Fair Silk, this beautiful hue of an aqua or a minty blue, trimmed out in a rhinestone with gold trimming. This is absolutely ribbon perfection, in my opinion, and I will have it in my collection for many years to come. I knew that that was going to be a staple color in my home, and so I always like to invest in staple pieces that will carry me for many holiday seasons. I picked these beautiful ornaments up from Craftex, guys, complete with the champagne drip and a gold stone on the end. Absolutely perfect. These gorgeous champagne beauties are from Hobby Lobby, pieces that I have curated over the years, guys. Just came together beautifully to create this design. This beautiful ornament here from Hobby Lobby, it picks up that mocha color of the points that are here from the Holiday Warehouse. Beautiful pieces from all over came together to create this glorious Countess design, and I am here for it all. I finished off the look with these beautiful acrylic deer.
I'll hold your hand so tight and always remember the way that we feel. Look at us now, walking around in the snow. We do it in a very
finished off the look, guys, with these beautiful acrylic deer, one sitting and one standing. I absolutely love them. These are from Home Goods. One of them gifted to me by one of my beautiful royal family members. I laid it on top of just a faux fur piece of material that I had, just to finish off the detail here with a standard gold lamp, complete with acrylic details. Everything here just plays beautifully together, from the mirror to the table, all the way down to the bottom where we have this believe sign that is ushering in what this season is truly all about.
Look at us now, walking around in the snow. We do it in a very Christmas way. Soon there will be sleigh bells and Santa Claus. It's the number one most magical, the number one most magical time of the year.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss, a green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all, from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, bright presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss, a green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all, from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, bright presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day.
enjoyed this little intimate tour of the entryway and all of its royal glory. Miss Countess is absolutely standing tall and proud, and she may or may not make her way to the 2025 styling season, but we'll see. I want you guys to click those notification bells, click them twice, because there is so much more to this holiday mixer that you do not want to miss. We will tour room by room, giving you, again, intimate, up close and personal details of each space. So until the next video, guys, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and until you click on again, have yourselves a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm coming home.